Hello students, in this session we are going to learn polyhalogen compounds. Polyhalogen compounds, a carbon compounds containing more than one halogen atom in a molecule. So these polyhalogen compounds are useful in various industries and agricultural fields. So important polyhalogen compounds इसमें है ethylene chloride, dichloromethane, trichloromethane and iodoform, tetrachloromethane, freons, and DDT. Let us study one by one. First, यहाँ पे जो है ना dichloromethane. This is also called methylene chloride. So this methylene chloride is used as a solvent for paint removers, propellant in aerosols, process solvent in the manufacture of drugs, and in metal cleaning and finishing solvents. Here, there are the harmful effects. It is dangerous for our central nervous system. They can damage our central nervous system. Okay. So, this is high level of ethylene dichloride. They may inhale, causes dizziness and nausea and tingling of our numbs and toes. This dichloromethane, a direct skin contact may cause intense burning and mild redness of the skin. Skin को red भी कर सकता है. So this direct contact with the eyes, they may burn the cornea of our eyes. Eyes का cornea भी जो burn कर सकता है. Next, हमारा जो second polyhalogen compound है, that is chloroform, that is trichloromethane. So trichloromethane, this used in a production of so many organic chemicals. So chemically chloroform is used as a solvent for alkaloids, fats, and iodine and other substances. The major use of chloroform today in the use of production of a refrigerant R22. So it was once used as a general anesthetic in a surgery, but it has been replaced because of less toxic other anesthetic agents. Now, so इसके जो हार्मफुल इफेक्ट होते हैं क्लोरोफॉर्म के, वो they may used as an anesthetic. Inhaling chloroform vapors depresses the central nervous system. ये भी हमारे central nervous system को डैमेज करता है. सेकेंड इफेक्ट जो है ना, अगर inhale may cause a chronic effect and they may damage to our liver and kidneys. Liver kidney भी वो डैमेज कर सकता है अगर हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा उसको इनहेल करें तो. So when this chloroform is slowly oxidized by air in presence of diffused sunlight, that produces a extremely poisonous gas, a carbonyl chloride, that also known as phosgene. ये जो क्लोरोफॉर्म जो है ना, ऑक्सीडेशन होता है in presence of sunlight, that may produces a poisonous gas, phosgene बोल के गैस जो है ना वो प्रोडक्शन करता है. So this is a reaction. Now looking at that screen, because of this reason, this chloroform can be stored in a closed dark colored bottles. Dark colored bottles में उसको क्या करते हैं, स्टोर करते हैं. नेक्स्ट हमारा जो पॉलीजन कंपाउंड है आयोडोफॉर्म CHI3. So it was earlier used as an antiseptic agent, but this antiseptic property is due to the liberation of free iodine, but not due to the iodoform itself. तो iodoform जो है ना, that is a antiseptic nature जो है ना वो exhibit करता है, but nowadays it can be replaced by the other formulations of containing the iodine because of a objectionable that क्या रहता है यहाँ पे? स्मेल। नेक्स्ट हमारा फोर्थ पॉलीहाइड्रोजन कंपाउंड है, दैट इज टेट्राक्लोरोमीथेन, कार्बन टेट्राक्लोराइड, CCl4. This CCl4 is used in the production of large quantities in the manufacturing of refrigerants and propellants for aerosol cans. Okay. So it is also used as a feedstock in the synthesis of chlorofluorocarbons and other chemicals, CFCs, in pharmaceutical manufacturing and general solvent use. So this is the uses of carbon tetrachloride, CCl4. So इसके जो इफेक्ट, हार्मफुल इफेक्ट होता है, दे मे harm that exposure this carbon tetrachloride may damage liver cancer in a humans. हमारा humans का जो liver भी कैंसर कर सकता है. And also the most common effect is a headache, nausea, vomiting भी हो सकता है. And they may cause permanent damage to our nerve cells because of inhaling that vapors. उसका vapors inhale करे तो इस तरीके से effect कर सकता है. Even the CCl4 inhalation, they can severe effect may cause a unconsciousness and may that patient go under a coma and may be lead to a death. कोमा में भेजा जा सकता है, अगर वो डेथ भी हो सकता है. एंड दैट में कैन ए इरेगुलर हार्ट बीट को इरेगुलर करता है एंड हार्ट बीट को स्टॉप भी कर सकता है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इनहेलेशन, अगर ज्यादा से ज्यादा इनहेलेशन करे तो. ओके. सो another important, the CCl4 that harm the depletion of ozone layer. ओजोन लेयर को जो है ना वो डिप्लीशन भी कर सकता है इन द स्ट्रेटोस्फीयर. ओके. सो दिस इज द कार्बन टेट्राक्लोराइड. ओके. सो हमारे ओजोन को डिप्लीशन करे तो क्या होता है? द यूवी रेडिएशन कमिंग फ्रॉम द सन दैट मे डैमेज दैट क्लोरोसिस इन अ प्लांट एंड डैमेज आवर स्किन, जो स्किन कैंसर भी कर सकता है. ओके. नेक्स्ट हमारा जो अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट पॉलीहाइड्रोजन कंपाउंड है, that is a freon. So freon, here example is the a difluoro that methane, that is a CFCs बोलते हैं उसको generally, that is a chlorofluorocarbons of compounds containing methane and ethane are collectively known as freons. Freons को बोलते हैं. That a chlorofluorocarbons compounds a methane and ethane. Chlorofluorocarbon containing methane and ethane are collectively known as freons. These are extremely unreactive, non-toxic, non-corrosive and easily liquefiable gases. We easily gas होता है. And they are manufactured from the tetrachloromethane CCl4 by the Short's reaction. इस Short's reaction में जो है उसको preparation कर सकते हैं. तो इसका use कहाँ पे करते हैं? These are usually that produced either aerosol, refrigerants and air conditioning purposes. वो air conditioner purposes को उसको use कर सकते हैं. Freon 12 is one of the most common industrial freon. A important freon 12, that is a freon 12, that is a difluoromethane is one of the most common a refrigerant, that is a freon. And most freon in the refrigerators are used eventually make their way into the atmosphere and where it diffuses unchanged into the stratosphere. उस स्ट्रेटोस्फेयर में अनचेंज होता है, दैट में हार्मफुल इफेक्ट भी कर सकता है वो स्ट्रेटोस्फेयर में, दैट कैन डैमेज आवर ओजोन लेयर, दैट कैन चेन रिएक्शन विल बी टेक्स प्लेस, दैट फ्री रेडिकल चेन रिएक्शन जो है ना वो करके जो नेचुरल जो हमारा ओजोन लेयर को भी डैमेज कर सकता है, ओजोन डिप्लीशन भी कर सकता है. लास्ट हमारा जो पॉलीहाइड्रोजन है दैट इज DDT, दैट इज P dash dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. Simply we call it as a DDT. Look at that example, that is a DDT. तो ये जो DDT है, this was a first chlorinated organic insecticide was originally prepared in 1873. So ये जो है ना, ये the DDT was a one of the important organic compound that can be earlier used as an that insecticide controlling the insects. But nowadays this can be banned in the United States because of that can have developed so many insects and a pest resistance to the DDT. But nowadays that DDT that can also be used in our India for the agricultural field for the controlling the pest, that pest controlling agent हो करके जो नाम हम इंडिया में उसको इस्तेमाल करें. बिकॉज दिस जो बहुत सारे जो इंसेक्टिसाइड्स है, पेस्टिसाइड्स है, दैट कैन व्हाट ए जो रेजिस्टेंस डेवलप करे डीडीटी को, उसी के वजह से जो रेजिस्टेंस डेवलप करने के बाद सो मेनी सच व्हाट अबाउट द that aquatic marine life like fishes, they may what very severe effect of this DDT. Because of this reason, that fish that can be mingled in our food chain again come back to our what human beings. Because of that reason, that DDT is banned in the United States, but thus DDT is used in the India as an agricultural pest controlling agent. Okay, so these are the some of the polyhalogen compounds and their uses. Okay, thank you.